guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of my budget overland build on my 2006 Nissan Frontier. As you can see, I've got this really ugly white topper on here now. That's going to kind of be the base of my camp setup. This did come off a Toyota Tacoma. I had a lot of trouble finding a used topper for a Nissan Frontier, so this one's off a Tacoma. That's okay. Not perfect, but it'll do. It is a utility topper, so it's got storage on both sides right now. I think I'm going to remove this side just to make some more room in the back. And this side over here just has a couple doors. So kind of the plan is remove this side, make some sort of a bed over on this side too. Whatever I do back here, it has to be removable because this is still used as a work truck too. So I can't build any crazy shelves in there and just leave it for camping. I also did pick up a diesel heater. Picked up one of these cheapies off Amazon. 2 kW. So I'll get that mounted back there too. And then I did replace that front tie rod that was bad on the passenger side. It was pretty rusted in place, so it just took some heat to get that out of there. It took 20 minutes to do, so I didn't make a full video on that. And I also got some new tires. So give me a minute, we'll talk about those. So for the tires, I currently have some Yokohamas on here, some Geolanders. They've got around 50,000 miles on them and they're pretty well shot. So I went with some Treadwrights this time. And I went with one aspect ratio taller. So I went, the old ones are 265, 65, 17s. And these are 265, 70, 17s. So these are a remold tire, so they're a used tire that's recycled basically. And these have winter kedge in them, it's called. They actually put crushed glass and walnut shells in the tread material just so they're better in winter. These are winter rated tires. They do have a snowflake on them someplace. These are E-rated too, which normally I like to go with C just because C's are usually a little lighter. The E-rated are 10 ply. I'll just kind of show you what the weight difference is. Alright, so just kind of show you the weight difference between the old tire and the new tire. These are Yokohama Geolanders. This one's brand new. 265, 65, 17. Let's see if I can get the balance here. It is 37 pounds, almost exactly. You can see the treads really good on this tire. Now to go to the Wardens. Now this is a Warden 265, 70, 17. This is an E-rated tire, so it's 10 ply. And it is 63 pounds. So keep that in mind when you guys are buying tires. It's a lot of extra unsprung weight going with a bigger tire, especially the E-rated. All right, so what else? I also got a roof rack for this. I picked up a Rola cargo basket. I've got one of these on my Isuzu V-Cross too, and it really comes in handy just to throw some extra gear up there. It's pretty reasonably priced too. It's not a really high-end rack. One thing you need to be careful of is they do tend to rust pretty easily. So when you put them together, you want to make sure you seal them up really well, and if you scratch them up, make sure you paint them. And if you guys are interested in this build, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'd love to be able to get this channel off the ground. And I see TFL's doing a Tacoma build, Budget Tacoma build on their TFLclassics channel, so I'll leave a link to that one too. I'm not affiliated with those guys, but they come up with some pretty interesting stuff. So anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you next time.